Good evening, folks. I have a very special delivery today, and I am very excited for it. I've obviously already gotten into it. Get that out of the way from my previous video. But anyways, I ordered a case of a drink, a very famous drink, and it came in the mail today. And you can see I've already broken into it. I've resealed it with this really cheap Oakland Raiders, so I can simulate opening. Here we go. Bubble wrap, and here we go, packed in more bubble wrap. Not really fit too well to the box, but go get rid of that box. And there it is. What I believe is a 12 pack of probably the most infamous drink on social media right now in the sports world, Rich Energy. Look, see, I've already opened it because I had to do a special picture with it. It's a teaser for this video, but oh boy, look at it. Rich Energy. Let's just gaze in all the detail. Serve chilled. And I'm struggling right now to do, and of course it doesn't want to be that close as I failed. But here we go. Serve chilled. Rich Energy. Established. And then there's the logo that they're being sued over. Made in Austria. 2015 Rich DOO. Caffeine content 80 milligrams per can. 8.4 fluid ounces. Now recommended for children, pregnant or nursing women, and persons sensitive to caffeine. Best before, see bottom of can. Let's go. Let's look at that. Expires 9/10/2020. I think I got Red Bulls that I've had. Try to get this back in focus. There we go. Serving one can. Try to get there we go. My greasy hand that I just got back from work. Ingredients: water, sugar, glucose, taurine, acidity. Actually, not a lot of ingredients or listed ingredients. RichEnergy.com. Distributed by Rich Energy Limited, London, England. Recycle. A very simple can. You know what? Because this is a special opportunity, I think I'm gonna go and film myself doing the obvious premium lifestyle drinking of Rich Energy. And hello, welcome back to the Rich Energy video. I figured what better use than my unshaven, smelly face with an old NASCAR Winston Cup t-shirt sitting in my 1993 Chevy S10 that hasn't moved in 3 years that I'm getting ready to scrap while I enjoy my Rich Energy. It smells like Red Bull. It smells like a cheap Red Bull knockoff. It tastes like a slightly more bitter Red Bull. There you go. Rich Energy. The premium lifestyle. Rusty ass truck. Fat American redneck. What more could they have possibly wanted? Oh yeah. Premium lifestyle. Get that nice moldy steering wheel in here. The spider nests in the background. Oh yeah. This is what their premium lifestyle brand is all about. Rich Energy.